And welcome back to my channel. So today my niece is coming over and she wants me to do something to her hair. And before I start, I'm gonna play with her hair a little bit. Maybe I'll do a tutorial for you guys on how to cornrow. So we'll see you at the video. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I decided to put together a quick little video on how to cornrow. I know there is still tons of people who have not yet mastered this skill. Hopefully I can help you guys learn how to cornrow by the time this video ends. Now everyone knows in order to cornrow you must know how to box braid. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little lesson on how to box braid before I show you how to cornrow. Just remember that everyone has their own way of braiding, so I'll be showing you 2 different hand positions when it comes to braiding. I'm going to start off by separating the section that I just parted into 3 sections. Braiding is just as simple as 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to label these sections 1, 2, and 3. Now that we have our 3 sections, section 2 is going to go over section 3, creating a crisscross. And section number 3 is going to go over section 1, creating another crisscross. Whatever section is in the middle, each hand is going to take turns making X's out of them. So if it's in the right hand's going to turn to the right. If it's in the left hand's going to turn to the left. Now that you guys have seen the first hand position, I'm going to show you the second hand position when braiding. The second hand position is the method that I use when box braiding and cornrowing. Now that we got the first part out the way, we can learn how to cornrow. We're going to start off the cornrow the same way that we do box braiding. We're going to keep turning, making X's, but every time we turn, we pick up here. If you look closely at my hand, I'm turning, then using my other hand to pick up here. Turning, using my other hand to pick up here. And I continue that until I'm at the end of the braid. The more you cornrow, the easier it'll be, and you won't have to use your other hand to pick up here. You'll just be able to braid straight down. You don't have to worry about the braid being neat. We are learning, so it's not going to be perfect. If you've made it this far, you now know how to cornrow. And if you still haven't gotten it, you can play and replay this video until you get it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.